driven by design. Boyce Products is a custom contract furniture and fabrication company, producing premium quality products for over 30 years.
Rutledge, production manager at Boyce Products. I run the production on the floor. I started here when we were mainly cabinets, because I like building cabinets and want to be a cabinet maker. That's where I started back in. It's keeping work and material ahead of people and making sure they have the material and supplies and tools they need, and any answers they need.
Well, in my case, it was electrical, electronics, technology, engineering. But I'm sure degrees that we would want would be probably a business, some type of business degrees. As far as crafts, what crafts we would want, like carpentry, mechanics. A lot of mechanical work here, mechanical engineering would be a big thing at this point since we took a new company over. So different degrees would fit in different parts of the departments what we have in the building. As an engineer, you probably start 60,000 as a good starting base. And of course, as time and your resume builds up, you go for more money, of course.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
The fact that you can make anything you want that you could ever imagine.